pretty fucking drunk, so sorry I can't keep the camera still. But you really see that thing swaying? Okay, I'm just recording this for myself to see if this thing is swaying. Or if I'm really fucked up. Because there's nobody else on this bridge. This is really fucking spooky. Because, oh my god, not only one is swinging, but the other is swinging. Oh my goodness. I'm recording this in case somebody attacks me. Their face will be on my phone. This is why we shouldn't get rid of guns. Just kidding. Well, they're still fucking swaying. It's fucking crazy. Oh, the camera's not picking it up. Oh, yes, it is. It is picking it up. Why are they swaying? I don't understand. This is crazy. Holy shit. There's people. Hi.